back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright, hi guys, welcome to Patois Chronicles. Of course, Tuesday, I don't know the thing set. Of course, so sweet there. Yes guys, Buster was known to name of our national hero, of course, Buster Manti. Also know the sweet, also known as Tagabaka. Come to Jamaica, you have to try it. It's showy and it's nice. Go straight down in the video now. What pen? What me to you? Or you can't shot so. You just a yap.
Can't shot so much. But it tell you to talk. And some Jamaican will say, keep your mouth.
Yes guys, so watch this entire video now. Enjoy, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section. And new to my channel at Patois series, I don't know, every Tuesday. Watch this entire video now. Boom. Panelist first panelist. No sir. Me have to succeed in a life.
No matter what you want to tell me, so come me have to succeed in a life. My life. Yeah, me have to succeed.
Here in Jamaica, you'll oftentimes hear this phrase, succeed. Me have to succeed in a life. So you come here and say, what am I succeed? The word is succeed. No, worry yourself. A Patois talking, a Patois chattings, yeah. So say it now. Me have to succeed, no sir. And you have to do the like attitude thing tonight and bear things and things. You don't know the things that already. Me have to succeed. What you talk about? What you chat about? Me have to succeed in a life. Yeah, talk the things them over your life. Succeed. Yeah, succeed. Hey, I give them seed. Hey, Ali, what call it now? Give me some name of some fruit with seed. Jump plum seed, panganut seed. You name all the seeds. Not that we're talking about. Alright? So, yeah, the English part right now. No! I will succeed in life's journey. Yes, I will. I will succeed.
I will succeed. Me, I will succeed.
Next panelist, idea click. I'm a Jamaican by birth and I've never heard this before, but it's a Jamaican thing. You don't know the thing said, no hide your tickle man. Hey, boy, I wonder what this mean now. No hide your tickle man.
No idea tick man. I couldn't make a ready man for this now. No idea lick your tick, you know. I become a gun already. Me just stand in my lane man and shut up.
You come here in Jamaica and hear this, you can see it here on Patois Chronicles. Alright, so the English translation, now I'm right now. English translation, honesty. Do not hide your stick and hit someone. Simple means, of course, English translation to English language. Be honest from the beginning when dealing with someone. I like that thing that you don't know. Next on the list, Wham to you, or you can shot so. But you get sit for laborish, or you can shot so man. You come here in Jamaica, you might hear him like, they're just rumbling away. What is that they're saying? I can't. Can you translate? No. Use Google and put it. No, it's not. It's coming as blah 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 blah. Why you think so? Patois. I doubt that Google can pick up Patois, but you may never know. Try it and see. I've tried it. You want some Patois video? Them and see what them are talking. A little ting. The caption, I don't even. Them a put some things I'm gonna understand. All right. So you chat so. Want me to you? Shut up. So see the English translation there for it. What happened to you? Why you talk so much, man? Why you can't just stop? Next panelist. Alright. How you say? I used to love to say this back. So when you hear me say it, it's just simple. Sometimes I'm not asking you anything. It's just a habit. And some Jamaicans we do use it as a habit. what you say? You know, say you look good, at you. What you say? You know, I like you, at you. What you say? That's another one. At you, what you say? Yeah, what you say? You know, so me used to the girl get her visa.
True, what you say?
I don't even know. So see the English translation for it here. See, really, is that so? Tom, why do you say that? Why did you? So you come here to Jamaica, Tom? I don't know, no, Tom. I just say, what you say? What you say? Wait a say. Someone say, wait did it say? So yes, guys, I come to the end of another Patois Chronicles. I don't know the thing set out. See you guys at games that, but don't know the time yet. Just check through and we'll see the thing Morning Glory between 6 a.m. and 6:30 a.m. You don't know the thing set Eastern time, Jamaican time. And the first comment shout out, she just run it down every week. Of course, goes to Jessie's World, guys. It's my daughter. I'm gonna check her out and give her some love. Yes, guys, sub to her. And you don't know the thing set leave. No, you can't leave a comment because she don't have no video yet, but soon and pretty soon, alright? Yes, thanks for the support and thank you very much, guys. I will get back to you soon. And please check out my members, of course. Yes, check them out there. Don't listen in the description box. You want to become a member? No problem. So now, walk good, be safe, and I love you all. Bye-bye.